We stopped, but I just left work while I restock, but they see my whip and they see pots on my outfit. They think treetop got a head full of steam like a teapot. Better do what he say or you get shot. Ooh, who are you? See you like red, must be a pop rule. If you went to work, why bring the crew? What you think, black folks don't carpool? Better would've been a crib if my shirt turned blue. Keep your hands on the wheel, sir, 10 and 2. I stopped this car cause you did too dark. You know that's a lie, that ain't true. It's cause I
Good guys, welcome to the video guys. Today we're all back. Last video was us purchasing the new built Cummins that's sitting right over there. Well, the bush is in the way. And yeah, so oh my god, my battery is dying. So I don't know how long this video is gonna be. So today we got this truck. So I'm gonna pull this motor out. There's no need for me to have two trucks of the same truck. So that one's much cleaner, as y'all can tell. Yeah, so I'm not sure how long this video gonna be. Guys, it's the same day. Apologize for the camera dying, but I got the camera charged up right now, and this is what we got going on with this truck. So as I'm not for sure what I said in the last clip, but right now the goal plan is to pull the motor out of my old truck, the one I've been building, the one you've been seeing on the channel. Pull that motor out, pull the trans back out, and maybe like build a motor. I'm gonna keep it as a spare motor. I had the truck up for sale and don't know what I really want because the body is too beat up and it's the frame rusty. Most of it's surface rust and the frame is straight, so I don't know why people won't buy it. I mean, it runs and drives. So yeah, and people keep low buying like $1,400 for it. I'm not gonna take that. So my best bet as far right now is pull the motor and trans out and keep them and build it and save them for the new truck that we just bought, and then just scrap the body. So goal plan is to literally take trans, cooler back off, keep all the parts that like I can salvage, like probably take the brakes and rollers back off, save those for later. Pull the engine, put trans, you know, whatever case may need. Like that truck is literally perfect, bro. So so far what I've done so far, just took that battery out. I'm gonna take the other one battery out tonight too. And look, there's no headlights, no grill. Ooh, so I took the ugly ass chrome off of the new truck, and I'm liking it so freaking far. Show you guys in a little bit, but yeah, I'm literally just swapping everything off from this truck to that truck, and yeah, everything I had planned for this truck, they're doing that truck. So I'm gonna take the spacers off and swap everything. I'm not sure I'm gonna keep the wheels in that, but yeah. So this is what she looked like right now with the literally took the front end off the other truck. So I know that this still had to stop trans cooler. I know once I put the other one on, it's going to bind up. You see how tight this one is already? So I'm gonna have to literally probably like cut right here just for that to fit, and the bumper is inside right where the mount is at. It hits there. I'm gonna have to trim all that just for heat, put the mission motor cooler in it to run the stock bumper. But yeah, I just literally just finished. Oh, can't close this down. Alright, so I literally just finished wiring up and installing my CB radio. Look at my antenna right there. If y'all guys wondering what I'm running, god damn, this mountain is fucking strong. That's the type of antenna I'm running. With the unhidden CB radio. So that's the CB radio I'm running, because there's a lot of trees out here in Virginia. But yeah, so other than that, I still gotta figure out what kind of tune this truck even has. I mean, this is what it has. I mean, dude said it had 3 tunes. I don't even know where to start. So I'm still trying to figure out this truck, still learn it. I haven't really even flowed at 100%, man. I've been babying this truck ever since I bought it. Like, I think the highest I probably got like 60% throttle. But other than that, man, I'm just babying the truck, man. I love this truck, man. And I want to I can't wait. Like, bro, I'm not for sure if I wanna like swap out the fender off the other truck and put it on because of this rust hole. That's the only thing that's bothering me. Then it's gonna look weird for having a black fender on the side. So should I just keep the rust hole or just, I don't know, guys. So I'm still trying to figure it out. But yeah, see you guys in the next clip. I'm not sure where this video going. Probably the next day. But yeah, see what's going on, man. Boy, Rich got this new Mustang. About to go find out what this thing can do, guys. I just took him around in this bad boy, the old 720 horsepower truck. They fucking love it. Oh shit, look at this. It's all stock. Then it's 2011. Can't even see his headlights.
He flashing.
Huh? Braces, alright. But God, boy, your braces smoking, boy.
Yeah.
I wanna keep doing that shit.
Nah.
Oh, we walking back here. I feel like we about to get shot. Oh my God, man.
She ain't got first gear.
Was the gap reversed?
No, she ain't ticking no more.
Actually sound decent.
Hey, look, she needed that oil now.
Yep.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
Man, y'all could have got that car 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, I guess.
I told y'all, I just need it out your hand.
No one ain't got a first gear.
They don't feel for me coming home not seeing a car right there now.
And an old car pocket like that. back here.
Fine, dog. Now if we can just get this one to move.
I know, right?
We're throwing 7-3 in here, man. Stop.
Godzilla.
Hey, what
The
y'all
old beamer.
do? Y'all do my vice grips.
I kind of want to.
Hey, what'd you do with his vice grip?
I put them on the.
I was asking. I got a whole bunch. You ain't got to worry about it.
It's at the house.
I was asking. I would
The
make
old
sure.
Beamer, how far?
Make sure y'all leaving the engine bay.
No, I took it out of there.
All right, just
they
make
hear you.
sure.
It's definitely at the house. I think I put it in the back of the black truck.
Just making sure.
When the fuck some
Then y'all be calling me talking about, hey, I need you to come back and fix this for me.
do what now?
So then y'all call me and fix something else for y'all.
Oh, he fixed it.
Yeah, that's Rashad. That's William brother.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. How you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
Good.
Hey, look, man. You know what I'm saying? We're about the wrong stuff. You remember I had to do this in the garage?
Mm-hmm.
It was an auxiliary water pump set right here. Had to bypass that.
Either. Like ain't nothing burning too bad.
I'm like clutch.
Well,
Yo, this thing feels so sketchy, bro. The steering is shot. Bro, I was sitting there going about 120 up there like this. You know, in the video or the movie, he was driving like this.
Yeah.
Bro, that's how I was
glad y'all
driving.
waited till nighttime to move it.
Oh yeah, of course. I was not. Did you see the tag on that?
Oh, well.
August 20.
Last year,
Y'all saw it.
2019, or last year?
Tennessee tags too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you have been getting it all the way around.
Y'all fine. Dang, man.
But I'm not for sure where that thing could be at.
We'll close that motherfucker. You know. And maybe do a couple more cosmetic shit. Like I'm getting the RTR front bumper. Well the splitter. Yeah.
Sit here like, all right, what side I'm sitting on? You already in the back.
You put the seat back, man. I just.
Oh, shoot. That's good enough. You got room back there?
Yeah, I'm good.
Actually, I might have to notch it back.
Just can't put a seatbelt on back here. That shit.
You got put what?
Can't put no seatbelt on back here.
Oh, you vlogging?
Yeah.
Pretty weak.
Should've did when I took y'all for a ride in the truck.
Low key. I mean, you know what I'm saying? We can do it again. Ain't gonna
Fuel ain't cheap.
Huh?
Fuel ain't cheap.
Wow, you did just put 60.
60 piece, man.
66.
That was just a half a tank, man.
Yeah. Wait, that was half a tank?
Yeah.
That was 23.
Thought so too.
You gonna get a vlog some money shifts, man?
Fuck it. I'm done with you. After dealing with you tonight.
Bro, did you see me busting Yui right there?
Nah, I didn't.
That's why I was flashing the lights. I was like, I'm about to do something stupid.
I told him that you were flashing the lights.
I was flashing my lights. Cause I was starting to go to the school parking lot, but I was like, nah.
Let it simmer for a bit, man.
She warmed up, man.
Fuck no, I already played it up.
So you got the camera out there.
Check my old Tim. My old Tim actually pretty good right now.
Stop. What do you mean pretty good?
Stop playing with me, man. Nah, earlier today when we was coming back down here,
Yeah.
bro, my shit was fucking, where was it at, man? It was damn near at the yellow, man.
The yellow at.
Like I had like a little bit of green in between the yellow. and
Yeah.
shit. Nah, that was on the way here. Yeah, that was on the way here.
Hey, for for real, man. I might just genuinely, cause bro, that old motor and trans, bro, they on their way out anyway.
Just swap it.
Bro, I'm thinking about another BMW motor, right? But I'm thinking of something that already comes from factory turbocharged, like the N. Is it the N54 or the 53 or 52 or something?
N54.
It's 54.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, because I told the guy, because the guy's license plate, it was this one that I thought he was working at Casey BMW, but his license plate said something like N55 E92, but I think it's N54. But his license said 55, so I was like,
Hey, how fast were you going when you passed me?
I was going 110, I think. Bro, my dart will dust that shit, bro.
Are you
My dart will burn that, bro. I'm telling you, from a roll, bro, it will burn that shit. It's so bad. It's so bad, bro. When I tell you, I was scared, bro. Bro, it takes a lot for me to get scared. You know, I drive crazy. Bro, I was driving like this. I was like, yo, I'm gonna die.
Like the girl in the movie. Man.
Yes, bro.
She was like, what the fuck?
Like
Are you driving straight or what?
Bro, I felt like it was over. Especially when we came around this corner. I was going about 80. And I ain't got no brakes neither. Another reason why when I was braking, because we was still going like, I was still going 100. And then I started trying to put on the brakes and I just hear it, bro. It was like, shit. All that rust up there, man. That thing been sitting for what, 2 years almost? If not more now. Wait, no, it'll probably be about 2 years.
Shit, tomorrow my 30-day 1,000-mile warranty gonna be out.
Jeez. I mean, you should have gunned it right now.
Just for that thing not to do nothing today and then tomorrow.
Check it July.
Yo, I'd be so hurt, bro. I'd be like, God, please, AMC,
Take
please.
me now. Pass it.
Oh, you can knock down, Chef. What the?
That was the quickest you done did so far. Hey, look, we about to go to the moon. We get this hill. Oh snap! What was that?
I won't pay attention.
Boy, your custom be going out soon. Hey.
Hey, look, he already said you the price that went up.
That downshift was horrible.
You end up like DJ. Oh, snap.
Bro, that guy's going though at least.
Yeah, no cap. Where he is? He's still back there.
Ain't never seen no shit like that, man.
Hey, bro, all I know is don't get beside no 392 yet, bro.
Oh, nah, bro, I'm good.
Or a Camaro, because that'll probably break
There
your
he
heart.
is, there he is.
He back there. Oh, no, bro.
Oh,
You know
man.
what I'm saying? We'll get your shifts right one day. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, wait. The BMW driving officially as of today. Yes, sir. We got one money, baby.
But you're not driving it to work, though. Like,
No, that wasn't. No,
yeah, I
no.
said
Don't
you
try
had
to
be
switch it up,
driving.
bro.
Nah, I said
Don't
you
try
had
to
to be
switch it
driving the Beamer for a month.
It is driving.
Nah, I said you had to be driving the Beamer for a month.
Like daily?
Not
That's
daily
cap.
necessarily,
That's
but
cap.
goddamn.
See,
like,
now I'm over it now. Oh, never mind. Forget it. Now you're making up new rules and mess.
Niggas thought because it went down the street.
Can't be
Yeah,
worth it. Ain't no way. I know you was immediately thinking, oh no, he not finna pass me.
I think I was in fifth when you passed. I didn't have like instant power or nothing. I had to gradually. You know what I'm saying?
Why you ain't drop the fourth?
I don't think about it. Oh my gosh. I ain't no race car driver in this.
Statement of the century. Nah, man. Bro, I'm telling you, it just C-tone, bro. Shoot, I wasn't doing none of this with my mom's little Ford Ranger, bro. That's what I learned on.
That's the thing. I don't want to be, like, granted, I have fun, you know what I'm saying? Somebody want to race, we race, but this ain't my race car. This is my daily.
Daily for y'all, daily for y'all.
The kids, the daily for my daily.
No, Rashad can say that. Daily for my daily. For my daily.
I'm down. I'm low on cars right now.
Yeah, I'm long.
If you low on cars, I ain't got none.
I only got 2 running cars.
You said like that's not out of what, 4?
Well, I always had 6. I always had more than that.
At a time?
Yeah, I don't always keep at one location either.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I wish I would have been able to see the TC.
Oh yeah, that thing gone.
Oh, did I block that Jeep? Oh no, I didn't.
Are y'all ready for the spinny boy? Cap. Yeah, extreme cap.
I was about to say, for 1, he ain't gonna do it. 2, he ain't gonna do it. For 3, then again, bump his neighbors.
I wasn't in gear like whatsoever. But you ain't done that, you know what I'm saying?
Did you ever drive the Audi? The Audi was manual, wasn't it, Rashad?
Yeah.
I didn't drive it.
You did?
You drove the auto one.
Yeah, the automatic one. I drove.
Yeah.
Look at that sexy beast.
Oh, I know that Dodge right there, right?
Yeah, tell me the one in front.
Nah, I'm talking that Dodge, right?
The one that say Mopar no car?
That Dodge, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you keep talking shit. You wanna go for a run?
40 roll room.
I don't mind taking the L, you know what I'm saying? I can run it.
Oh man. Alright, Rich.
Alright, man. Appreciate y'all. I'll be sending you your money.
Yeah, I'll be looking for it. You got all the money now, you buying cars and shit.
Oh, we.
He the rich man.
I know.
Hey, look, rich for rich, I guess.
Shit.
I'm about to call Tony now.
Tony?
Yeah.
See, you done opened up the bag. You did this to yourself. That's all I'm gonna say. I hung up on him earlier. Yeah, I did.
$37. Yeah.
Bro, I got it to the house, bro.
You got it to the house,
I
man.
got it to the house, man.
You driving?
She ain't got no first gear, but that's good enough for me.
Yeah, man.
Hey, look.
That's cool.
It going to all the other. That's how. Hey, look, Rashad. That's how I realized. Yeah, I might got some straight. I was literally throwing that chick in second, bro. And then for a second, I was behind you at that light down there, bro. It was not going to no gears. I was like, yo, come on. And then soon I realized I had to let off the clutch and get right back on it, and then it'll do it. I was like, that's weird. Hey, Tony, we putting the N54 in that jank now, man. With a sequential. We throwing a sequential in there too.
I'm dead.
Oh, my Rich Wallet, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate it,
Ooh.
man. Alright, bro.
Alright, man. Y'all take it easy, man.
Too, man.
You want serious about that run now?
Don't mind me. He can get the smoke.
What?
You wanna go for a run?
Hey, I already. Look.
Hey, look. Hey, look. I gotta go to Hampton anyway. I gotta go to
Okay. Alright, man. Y'all take it easy, man. Dude. Going good, guys. It's the next day. I'm not for sure where this video is going, bro, but we just all over the place. Yes, last night my boy Rich and his friend came over. That was his BMW that I was working on, as y'all seen the last few videos. We got that thing, I got the slave in, got it running, whatever. And boy, Rich got a new Mustang. I think it's like a 2011. I'm not for sure. 2011, 2012, 5.0 that he just got. And yeah, we took it for a spin last night. So that's what that clip is about. Like I said, I'm not sure where this video is going, but this is where we are today. So we got both the second gens right there in the background, as you can see. I still haven't made a review on that truck yet. I'm going to make it. I have done ride-alongs in it so far. I need to record them things because it's be freaking awesome. But here we are with this gen. I want to swap out the trans cooler because it's still running the stock one on that one. I don't know why he was running stock on that one I bought, but we're gonna swap that out one weekend, probably this weekend coming up. But right now I'm going to start. So the visors, mine's in my new truck, the mirror's missing. So I'm gonna go and put this one in, and I'm gonna take that one out because that one has a mirror. Mine's and that one don't. I was thinking about, honestly, guys, I was thinking about taking this fender off and pulling on that truck because this one is rust free besides that little paint chip right there, but it has no this thing. I might just save it for later, but yeah. But anyway, like I was about to say, this one has power seats. Well, the battery's out. Only one that works is going back and forth, nothing else. The up and down doesn't move. This one works. I think this one's for the inside, but these two don't work at all. But only thing that's getting me is because of this little tear. I might be able to take this out and replace it with the one I have in my truck. Honestly, I've never really looked into it. So yeah, we might look into that, guys. I might for sure. Maybe I'll take this cushion out and swap out the one out of my truck. That might be, yeah. Well, I'm gonna look into that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out because I am missing the mirror. Well, mine don't even come with a mirror. So, and I'm gonna take that center console out because mine's in the other truck. This light stays on, like every bump I hit, it stays on. And then this one also come with like the time and temperature. So I'm gonna take that out, and then I'm gonna try to take the spacers off, take the wheels off, put the stock wheels back on because I'm keeping these wheels. I want to run these wheels. I like these wheels versus those. So, well, no, we'll see. But that's the game plan for right now. So I'm gonna get back where y'all want. So take this ride. All right, guys. So here's the new truck. You see how the cylinder doesn't have nothing, and this keep flopping down, and the light on the driver's side keeps coming on until I hit a bump, and then this visor on the passenger side. Right, guys, memory got full. But yeah, and the driver's side doesn't even have a mirror at all. So I'm gonna install these. These would be looking great. I wish I can clean this cloth off. But and also another con, like this corner here, I don't know what happened, but I would like to change out the other one out the other truck. But the other truck has a little crack right here. It's about to peel off. Do the same thing. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep this one in. I don't know. But yeah. And then I got this part right here. It's like little ends and bits. So since I have that truck over there, I might as well make this truck perfect, you know. So I'm going and put these in, guys. Alright, guys. So I got the new ones in. Well, new to me. What's up? So on both sides. This one got a mirror inside too. So yeah. Look how dirty the top is. I guess it's from all the smoke that this thing blows, man. So yeah, the truck really need a detail. Next, I want to try to get this out. I'm gonna have to do some research to try to figure out how to get this. I don't know, just clips on the end or just, you know, I don't know. So I don't want to break it. So I'm gonna do some research and try to take the other one out and that one. Try to wire it up so that the temperature and time can show here and stuff like that. You know, whatever. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I'm trying to make the new second gen great. So I mean, I love this thing, man. I don't know, man, I forgot the camera last night and I did a couple pulls in for people some of my friends, and this thing was epic. This thing sucked in the rain, no traction whatsoever. But yeah, this thing get down, but it goes from like 0 to 60 in like 2 seconds, bro. So one day, probably this weekend, I'm try to make a video on that and show you how quick this thing is. This thing get down buggy. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to. I'm not forcing you, bro, but just want to let you know, like, if you want to, the button's there. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna start pulling the engine out, the other second gen. I wasn't gonna part the whole thing out, but I will keep parts and have parts on hand. So like down the road, I'm gonna need parts. So if I have a whole truck here, I might as well take everything I can off it and then scrap the body. I think that's the best bet ever. So that way, when I break down or I need a part, I won't have to be struggling and trying to scavenge parts from all over the country and stuff like that. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But man, this interior, man, I love this truck, man. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, man. And y'all have a great day. Alright, here we go. Oh my god. But yeah, I just want to show y'all this real quick. I'm on my way home. That was only 75%, man. I'm scared to put this thing to 100. I don't want to break anything. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later, man. Just close out the video, guys. But yeah, this thing gets up and go. Love this thing, man. Love it.